Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, I want to introduce myself. My name is Fandi Santoso, and my student's number is 202-122-152. In this video, I want to explain to you how to find mean, median, mode, mean, max, range, quartile 1, quartile 2, quartile 3, interquartile, variance, standard deviation, and the polygon from all of this score. So without further ado, let's start the explanation. The first one, I want to explain to you about this x-axis mean score. In this table, I put each different number from the first score here. All of this is have a different number, so I put each of this different number. I mean, like as you can see, I put 50 in here, and then I put 54 in here, and 58 in here, and 60 in here, and so on. I put the smallest to the biggest score. And the next is about frequency. The frequency is each frequency from different score in here. As you can see, the first one is 50. 50 in here is only one, so I put in here 1. And 54 is 2, I put in here 2. And then 58 here, and I put the frequency 3, and so on. And the next about fx, how to find fx. Fx is the first one. You must to type equals, and then you click the score, the first score, and then times the frequency, and then enter. That is the score. And to make it easier, so we must to find all of this fx score one by one. So we can only just drag from here all the way to the bottom, and then the score will show here. And then next, how to find x mean. The first one, what we must to do to find x mean. We must to find mean first, and here the first one we types equals, and then we type average, and click this one, and from here the first score we drag all the way to from the top to the bottom here, and then enter. This is the mean, the mean score. This is and then next, let's move again to the previous table here. How to find x mean is you must to type equals here. You click the score, the first score here, the first score and mean, and then click the mean score here, and then enter. That is the x mean score. Before we continue to all the way to the bottom here, all the score to the bottom here, we must to put a $sign in here, $sign, and then also in here, and enter. And next, we can drag from the top here all the way to the bottom, and you can see the score here. Next, how to find x mean quadrant is you type the first one you type equals, and then you click mean times, you click again the x mean, and then enter. This is the x mean quadrant score, and then how to find all of this score, we just drag here all the way to the bottom, and then this is the score. Next is how to find fx min quadrant. So the first one you must do here is type equals, and then click the first frequency here, and then you type times, and then you click x min quadrat here, the first score x min quadrat here, and then enter. And as usual, you drag from the top here to the bottom. That is the score. And then next, we must to accumulate all of this frequency score, fx score, and then fx min quadrat score. So the way to do it is we must to types equals in here, and then type sum, and then drag from the top here to the bottom and enter. There's the score. And next, same as before, we put equals here, and then sum, and we drag all the way from the top to the bottom and enter. And next is this one, the last one. As same as before, we put equals here, sum, and then drag all the way top to the bottom, this score, and then enter. There's the score. And next, we will try to find the median. How to find the median here? The first one is we must to type equals and type median, and then from the first score here, we drag to the from the top all the way to the bottom, and then enter. This is the median score is 79. Next is mood. How to find mood is you type equals and then mood, and from the first score we drag all the way to the bottom, and then enter. This is the mood. And then next is mean. It's mean how we find mean. Mean is the smallest score from the first score here. As you can see, the smallest score is 50, so we put here 50. Next is the max. Max is maximal. So we put the maximal score here. It's 100. And next is range. How to find? You type equals here, and then you click the max score, and then the minimum score, and then enter. Next is quartile 1. How to find quartile 1? First, we must to type equals and quartile here, and we drag from the first score all the way to the bottom, and then after this we put a semicolon sign here. Semicolon sign here. Semicolon sign here, and 1, and then enter. And next, how to find quartile 2 is same as quartile 1. We type equals and quartile, and then drag from the first score all the way to the bottom. And then after this, semicolon sign, and then type 2, and then enter. Next is quartile 3. How to find quartile 3 is same as quartile 1 and quartile 2. First we type equals, and then quartile, and drag the first score all the way from the top to the bottom, and then we put semicolon sign here and 3, and then enter. And then next is interquartile. How to find interquartile is, this is easy. You just type equals and click quartile 3, mean quartile 1, and then enter. And then next is how to find variance. You just type equals here, and then var, and then as same as before, you drag the first score here all the way to the bottom again, and then enter. There's the variance score. And the next is standard deviation. You type equals and st def here, and as usual, you drag all the way the first score from the top to the bottom, and then enter. That is a standard deviation score. And next is how to find the polygon. In this table, as you can see X and F, you drag all these two score, these two table score, and then you click insert here, insert, and then wait, sorry. You drag here, all the way here, and then you click insert, and then you click recommended chart. And as you can see here, sketcher, you click OK. And this is the polygon. So that is all the explanation about how to find mean, median, mode, mean, max, range, quartile 1, quartile 2, quartile 3, interquartile, variance, standard deviation, and the polygon. That's all from me. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.